Ginger, scientifically known as Zingiber officinale, is a powerful root with a sharp, distinctive aroma and a long history of use in both culinary and medicinal practices. Its bioactive compounds, particularly gingerol, are responsible for its remarkable health benefits. Ginger has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries, valued for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and digestive-enhancing properties. Nutritional profile of ginger. Ginger is low in calories and rich in bioactive compounds. Per 1 teaspoon of dried ginger. Calories, 6. Protein, 0 grams. Fat, less than 1 gram. Carbohydrates, 1 gram. Fiber, less than 1 gram. Sugar, 0 grams. Per 1/4 cup of fresh sliced ginger. Calories, 19. Protein, less than 1 gram. Fat, less than 1 gram. Carbohydrates, 4 grams. Fiber, less than 1 gram. Sugar, 0 grams. Medical benefits of ginger. Eases digestive discomfort. Ginger accelerates the emptying of the stomach, which alleviates symptoms of indigestion and bloating. Studies have shown that consuming ginger can reduce the time food stays in the stomach by up to 30%, significantly relieving post-meal discomfort. Relieves pain and inflammation. The bioactive compound gingerol has potent anti-inflammatory properties. Research indicates that fresh ginger can reduce muscle soreness by up to 25% after exercise. It is also effective in alleviating menstrual pain, making it a natural alternative to conventional pain relievers. Supports brain health. Ginger's antioxidants combat oxidative stress, a key factor in age-related cognitive decline. A 2012 study demonstrated that ginger extract improved working memory and cognitive function in middle-aged women, suggesting its potential role in preventing neurodegenerative diseases. Reduces cancer risk. Ginger's anti-cancer properties stem from its ability to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. Research highlights its effectiveness in lowering the risk of colorectal, gastrointestinal, ovarian, and breast cancers. A 2013 study found that ginger consumption improved cellular health in individuals at risk for colorectal cancer. Regulates blood sugar levels. In a 2015 clinical trial, participants with type 2 diabetes who consumed ginger powder daily experienced a 12% reduction in fasting blood sugar levels. This highlights ginger's potential role in managing diabetes and improving insulin sensitivity. Promotes weight loss. Ginger enhances thermogenesis, the process of burning calories to produce heat. Studies from 2016 and 2019 found that ginger consumption helped reduce body fat, waist-to-hip ratio, and overall weight, making it a valuable addition to weight management strategies. Alleviates nausea. Ginger is highly effective against nausea, particularly during pregnancy. Its use is supported by multiple studies showing reduced morning sickness symptoms in pregnant women. Additionally, ginger can help alleviate nausea caused by chemotherapy and post-surgical recovery. Lowers cholesterol levels. Regular consumption of ginger has been linked to reduced levels of LDL, bad cholesterol, which is crucial for heart health. Its impact on lowering cholesterol contributes to improved cardiovascular function and reduced risk of heart disease. Boosts immune function. The antioxidants in ginger strengthen the immune system, helping the body fight off infections. Its anti-inflammatory properties also make it effective against common colds, flu, and sore throats. How to consume ginger. Raw. Add thin slices or grated ginger to salads and meals. Tea. Steep fresh or dried ginger in hot water for a soothing drink. Powdered. Use as a spice in recipes or mix into smoothies and marinades. Juice. Extract the juice and mix it with honey and lemon for a refreshing health tonic. Pickled. Enjoy as a condiment, especially in Asian cuisine. Ginger tea. Recipe. Slice or grate fresh ginger. Boil it in water for 10 minutes. Add honey, lemon, or cinnamon for flavor. Strain and enjoy warm. Precautions and side effects. While ginger is generally safe, consuming more than 5 grams per day may cause mouth irritation, stomach upset, gas, lowered blood pressure, increased risk of bleeding due to its blood-thinning properties. People on medication, especially anticoagulants, should consult their doctor before consuming ginger in large amounts. Ginger is a versatile root with profound health benefits supported by scientific research. Its ability to combat inflammation, improve digestion, support brain function, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases makes it a valuable addition to any diet. Always consult a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate amount for your specific needs. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support means a lot. Stay healthy and take care.